Cosori Air FRYR 100 recipes 5.8 QT electric hot air fryers oven oilless cooker 11 cooking presets preheat and shake reminder LED digital touchscreen nonstick basket ETL certified 2-year warranty 1700 watts. Designed in California. Check out our video on the left side and take a quick tour of this 11-in-1 Cosori square air fryer. Our exciting new flagship product with slimmer footprint, thoughtfully designed to fit on your countertop and save your counter space. Healthier fried food, air crisp technology with 85% less fat than traditional frying methods, but deliver the same deliciously crunchy taste of fried food with little to no oil. 100 recipes cookbook. Enjoy your favorite fried foods with 100 original, delicious and easy recipes for every meals. Find out how our numerous influencers cook their food with Cosori electric air fryer in social medias in our community. Easy to cook, built-in digital touchscreen menu featuring 11 presets, just tap and go. Temp and time adjustable, 170 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, degrees centigrade switching. Constant recipes and videos tutorials from Cosori and brand ambassadors. Cooking faster, cooking time is faster than conventional oven, but with crispier and tastier results. Safe to use, ETL FDA certified, 120V, 1700W automatic shut-off prevent overcooking, overheat protection. The XL 5.8 quart size serve food for 3 to 5 people. Product dimension 10x12 inches. Basket dimension 9x3.75 inches. Dishwasher safe and easy to clean. Removable non-stick coated drawer and the food basket are dishwasher safe and PFOA-free with a cool touch handle and button guard to prevent accidental detachment. Cosori original air fryer accessory set is also available for sale. Search for C1586AC. 2-year warranty for free 90-day money back, also 2-year purchase warranty and lifetime support from Cosori.